Welcome back to Better Life, Better Living. Today we're going to show you the simple steps to grow beets at home. No need for expensive equipment or a lot of garden space. You won't believe how easy it is to grow organic food. Let's do this. Start with just a store-bought beet. You're going to want to cut off the old stem. Next, let's prepare a cup to propagate the roots. It's important to use plastic or glass, as metal can oxidize the roots and cause root rot. We're using a bottle to show how cost-effective this can be. Once the bottom of the beet is just touching the water, place it on the windowsill. Add water when necessary. After 7 to 10 days, your beet should look like this. Large, healthy, green leaves and long roots. Now we're ready to plant it in the soil. We're using a bag of potter's soil, which you can get at most dollar stores. Next, we're going to mix in compost, made up of old food scraps. For more in-depth instructions on how to cultivate healthy soil, check out our video in our Garden and Greenhouse series. As we mix in the compost, we're going to add some water to keep the soil nice and damp. Now it's time to plant the beet. Dig a hole deep enough so that the beet is completely covered. Then lightly pack soil around the base of the stem. Water the topsoil, and this plant's good to go. Water daily to keep your soil damp. After 15 days, you can either move the plant into your garden or into a larger planter bed. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss our video when we show you how to do it. If you're planting this in the winter, you'll have to keep the pot indoors and upgrade to a larger pot so that there's room for all the beets to grow under the earth. Be sure to occasionally spray water on the leaves to simulate rain. And here it is just 10 days later. Soon it'll be ready to be planted in the garden. Subscribe if you want to see how to do that. And that's it.
Water your beets regularly. Soon they are ready to harvest.
That's how you propagate a plant on a windowsill. Up next, we'll show you how to propagate other plants on your windowsill, such as other roots like taro, as well as green vegetables like celery. You won't believe how easy this is. Be sure to like and subscribe, and comment what other kind of vegetables you'd like to learn how to grow. Thank you for watching.